Hi, this is Balram Kasnia from Arya College of Engineering and IT, Department of Electrical Engineering. Subject is electrical measurement and measuring instruments. Unit is fifth. Today's topic is AC bridges. AC bridges are those circuits which are used to measure the unknown resistance, capacitance, inductance, frequency, and mutual inductance. Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge used for measurement of the resistance. Resistance can be measured by the direct current as shown in figure. ये फोर आर्म ब्रिज है जिसके अंदर आमने सामने की भुजाओं को अपने मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, कोई भी अननोन क्वांटिटी उसे मेजर कर सकते हैं, जैसे R1 R3 इक्वल टू R2 R4, R1/R2 इक्वल टू R4 इक्वल R4/R3. Inductance and capacitance can also be measured by the similar four-arm bridge as shown in the figure. In this case, the alternating current source is employed by a vibration galvanometer. This is a simple four-arm bridge, and we calculate any unknown quantities by multiplying the diagonal element Z1 Z3 equal to Z4 Z2. Maxwell inductance bridge. In this Maxwell inductance bridge, there are two pure resistance used for balance relation, but on other side or arm the two non impedance are used. The non impedance and the resistance make the non impedance as Z1 and Z2. Such a network is known as a Maxwell AC bridge as shown in figure. दिस इज मैक्सवेल ब्रिज एंड मल्टीप्लाई द आमने सामने भुजाओं को अपने मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं एंड देन अपने कोई भी अननोन क्वांटिटी होती है उसको अपने मेजर कर लेते हैं, जैसे R1 प्लस जे ओमेगा L1 मल्टीप्लाई R3 इक्वल टू R4 प्लस जे ओमेगा L4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई R2, एंड वी कैन कैलकुलेट R2 अननोन रेजिस्टेंस R2 और R3. Maxwell-Vance bridge. In the Maxwell-Vance bridge, the positive phase angle of the inductance may be compensated by the negative phase angle of the capacitance impedance put in the opposite arm. The unknown inductance then become unknown in the term of the capacitance as shown in figure. This is the Maxwell inductance bridge. We can multiply the diagonal elements and R2 R4 plus j omega L1 R2 equal to R1 R3 plus j omega C R1 R2 R3, and calculate unknown quantities any C or L. Anderson bridge. In the Anderson bridge, the unknown inductance is measured in terms of non-capacitance and resistance. This method is capable of precising measurements of inductance over a wide range of the value from a few micro Henry to several Henry, and it's the best bridge method for measurement of the inductance. This is Anderson bridge, and we can calculate the value of L in inductance. We multiply the diagonal elements and calculate L1 equal to CR2 multiply R4 plus R5 plus R4 R5 upon R3. Capacitance bridge. We will consider only de Sauty bridge method to comparing two capacitance. The bridge has maximum sensitivity when C equal to C3. The simplicity of this method is offset by the impossibility of the obtaining a perfect balance if both the capacitance are not free from the dielectric losses. A perfect balance can only be obtained if air capacitor are used as shown in figure. And in this figure we multiply C2 R2 C3 R1 and calculate C2 equal to C3 R1 upon R3. Sharing bridge used for the measurement of capacitance and dielectric loss of capacitor. It is a device for comparing an imperfect capacitor C2 in the terms of the loss free standard capacitor C1 as shown in figure. This is sharing bridge, and we can calculate here capacitance and resistance. C3 equal to C2 upon R1 upon R2, R3 equal to R2 C1 upon C2, and we can calculate capacitance and resistance. Wand series bridge. It is a simple ratio bridge, and it is used for the audio frequency measurement of capacitance over a wide range as shown in figure. This is band series bridge, and we can calculate or measure unknown resistance and capacitance. Here R1 equal to R2 R4 upon R3, C1 equal to C4 upon C4 multiply R3 upon R2. Thank you guys.